Good morning. First order of business is that I need to move from where I'm at. Let's go. Now that I'm parked, it's time to make some coffee because I'm gonna go on the beach and drink my coffee. That's right, beach bum. Got it. Got my coffee going. Let's go to the beach. Oh, it's hot. Well, this is one of the secret beaches that I go to when I'm in town. And I don't tell anybody, and you'll see why. I know what you're gonna say. Yes, it's true. I am not a beach person. I'm more of a mountain guy, river, lake and stuff like that. But this place is special. This is a place that I come in the morning when there's very few people here because very few people know about it. It's mostly local people. I love it. It's very peaceful. It's very recharging, especially if I have my coffee with me. Lately, I have been hanging around by the beach because it's just cooler. It's really hot in the summer in the van, and the beach is usually like 10 degrees cooler, and I get to put my feet in the water. Day at the beach is over. because it's getting a little sunny and I don't have an umbrella. And now for the hard part, to go to the van. There's a plethora of steps to go back up. They're very easy when you go down, obviously, but going back up, it's a workout. See you at the van. Whew, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. This is the workout for the day. Almost there. Almost there. There she is. Okay, so I'm gonna go do some errands only because it's too early to make some lunch, so I need to make myself useful. If you are new to RVing and you just want to get a taste of it, this is one of the companies that does it. However, this is a little big. I'm not sure if they have vans because this is an actual RV, but it's one of the options out there. First order of business, it's Costco to get some gas. And the one that I used to go to closed down for some renovations or whatever. And the lines are crazy at any other Costco next to that one. It's worth it for me to come get gas at Costco because the only problem this van has is that it's very thirsty. It's a V8. Now, I don't always let it go down. I'm at halfway right now, but it is thirsty. It's got 35 gallons. So if I'm at half, I'm actually filling up like any other car. Still worth it though. That's why I put gas at Costco. It's like over $5 for regular. Well, that was not too bad, not too great. It was $75 almost. According to my calculations, I'm getting around 10.5, a little bit above that, for city driving, which I've done lately. If I'm lucky and I'm going with the wind, then I'm getting 14 miles to the gallon. There she is, people. So yes, that's right. I do have a Planet Fitness membership because I use it when I'm in town and I'm not out boondocking or out in the wild. And your boy's working tonight, so that's right. That's another thing that you guys might not know. I do have a weekend job that I have to come back to every weekend because YouTube is not paying me any money right now. All right, let's go get that shower. Shower felt good. I don't always work out. Yes, sometimes I do. But the two things that I've done since I had this membership is obviously take a shower and use those hydro massage chairs. That in itself, it's worth the $20 a month. And they also have other things like Wi-Fi if I ever wanted to go upload a video. I always forget to do that here, but it is an option. And you know, they have some other amenities. They don't have a jacuzzi, which would have been nice, but the showers and the hydro massage and maybe sometimes Wi-Fi, it's well worth the 20 bucks a month, anywhere I want to go, anytime. All right, let's go find a place to go make some lunch because it's a bit past 12 o'clock and I'm getting hungry. Found the spot. I'm near the beach. There's a camper next to me, but don't worry, I'm not staying here for the night. I'm gonna go work after I have my lunch and possibly take a nap. Let's get cooking. You may hear the vent running right now, but I have to run it because we're at 80 something degrees. But I do need to run it because I'm also cooking in here and I have propane, or well, or maybe not. Let's see. During the summer, I feel the need to just eat fresh food and, you know, just colder food, even though I heated these up in a microwave. If I know I'm gonna be in town for the week, then I'll pre-make food and I'll make this quinoa with mushrooms and with chickpeas and a few spices in there. And this is good to eat cold. I can make just a little bowl of it. I can put it in a wrap. I can make little tacos with it. It's very versatile. Let's give it a taste. If I add avocado to it or to anything, lime is very important for me because it cuts a bit of that fatness of the avocado. It definitely hits the spot. I was thinking about this since last night. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. What did I just do? Did I just microwave something in my van? When did that even happen? I'm glamping, guys. Can't believe I'm saying those words. I will make a video about this and my electrical equipment coming soon. I'm almost done. Like 98% of the stuff that I've done is almost done. I just have a few things to finalize to be able to make that video, and I'll address the whole thing. Why am I able to run a microwave in my van? What I got, all the good stuff. For now, check out this video if you want to see more van life related content. Thank you for coming along as always. Like, subscribe, do all the crazy things that you like to do down there if you want to. And I will see you guys in the next one.